The best way to get started in Kami is to create an account and sign in. First, go to Kami by typing Kami app into your web browser. Next, you'll need to sign into Kami with your school email address. Now that you know how to sign into Kami, let's install the Kami extension. If you use Google Chrome, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Kami and then click Add to Chrome. If you use Microsoft Edge, you can install the Kami extension by going to Add-ons. Simply search for Kami, then click Get. You're all set. The Kami button should now be visible in your browser. It's just a click away whenever you want to open Kami. To open a new Kami document, first click on the Kami button in your browser. From your Kami dashboard, click New Page and type in how many pages you need, the page type you would like, and your preferred page orientation. Then click Add. From here, you can start getting familiar with the Kami Toolbar, where you'll find all the epic tools you'll need in class. Let's learn how to open a Kami assignment from your teacher. We'll show you how to do this with Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas, and Microsoft Teams, so you can skip to whichever platform you use. To open a Kami assignment in Google Classroom, go to your class, then select the assignment, and click Open with Kami. Now you can use Kami tools to complete your work. To open a Kami assignment in Schoology, go to the course dashboard or courses to select your class. Select the assignment and click on the file to open it in Kami. Now you can start using Kami tools to complete your work. To open a Kami assignment in Canvas, go to Courses to select your class. Then go to Assignments. First, click on the Kami assignment and then load the assignment in a new window. This will open your Canvas assignment in Kami where you can complete your work. To open a Kami assignment in Microsoft Teams, first select your class from the Teams dashboard. Next, from the menu on the left, select Assignments. Then click on the assignment you'd like to complete. And it will open up in a Kami window inside Teams. Now you can use Kami tools to complete your work. If you notice your toolbar is looking a little different than usual, don't worry. This just means your teacher has handpicked the best tools for you to use on this assignment. Let's explore 3 Kami tools you can use to complete your assignments. This is the text box tool. To create text boxes, select it from the toolbar and click anywhere on your Kami assignment to start typing. If you're not super confident at typing, Kami's got you covered. Try voice typing instead. Select the text box tool, click anywhere on your Kami assignment, and then click the little microphone button located to the very right of the text editor menu. When the microphone is red, that means Kami will start typing your voice into text. Once you have finished, just click the microphone again to stop typing. Now let's check out the drawing tool. Select the drawing tool from the toolbar, then click and hold to draw anywhere on your Kami assignment. If you really want to get creative and change the color of your brush, tap the color of your choice and start drawing. Once you have finished your Kami assignment, hit the Submit button. This will send your work back to your teacher for grading. That's it! Now you're ready to use Kami.